Welcome! Today in front of me XIAOMI Redmi 10 and I'll show you how to add or remove the home screen widgets on this device. For example, you have to choose one from your screens. I will go in with this one and now just press for a while on your screen and go here to the widgets icon. Here you can see all the available widgets that you can add. For example, I will go in with this one and I'll add it here. You can move this widget on your screen here. Also you can move it between the screens to the new one or to the, for example, to the here we got the same widget, so we have no left place. Also we can add one more widget here by the same way. For example, we'll add the calculator. Okay, no enough space, so that's no problem. We just will go to the another screen and I'll show you how you can here move a calculator. If you want, you can also move it to another screen just by the same way. If you want to remove the widget, just press for a second and drag it to the remove icon by this way. And also we can remove these widgets too. Also you can just change the widget size. I'll show you how you can do that. Just add the widget and right now you can make it bigger or smaller. That's your choice. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.